Back right now with the coronavirus here in Connecticut, with kids now back in school. Doctors at Yale New Haven Health say they'll be keeping a close eye on COVID cases, but what do they really expect overall as we make our way into the fall? Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland has more.
According to Yale New Haven Health, the number of COVID cases remain steady, but with school now back in session, doctors here say there's a chance it could go up.
Kids are back in school now for the most part, which is different than last fall. And I think that particularly the population that is under 12, that's not yet eligible for vaccine, is going to potentially increase some transmission in schools. And we're going to have to watch carefully what happens there.
Fortunately, Yale New Haven says so far it hasn't seen the surge other states are dealing with when it comes to the Delta variant and kids.
We've not seen a large increase. We've seen small numbers, and it's a mystery to me as to why that is here. And I've seen those reports not just from southern states, but also from other countries.
In fact, of the current 132 COVID positive patients in its hospital system, no one is under the age of 20. Overall, 30% of its current cases are breakthroughs, meaning the patients are fully vaccinated. But of that number, only 6% came in exclusively for COVID symptoms. The others were asymptomatic and tested positive while being admitted to the hospital for other reasons.
We are going to see small outbreaks, nothing like we saw in April of 2020. But I think COVID and the treatment of COVID patients is going to be our reality for at least the foreseeable future, in small numbers up to 100 or 150.
Yale says since the start of the pandemic, it's seen a small wave of patients roughly every 2 months. And while it's not sure why, they stress continuing to mask up, socially distance, and getting more people vaccinated are steps that, when used together, can keep people safe.
Now is the time. It's not too late, but don't wait any longer. Get out there, get vaccinated.
As for that mandate, Yale is requiring all of its staffers to be fully vaccinated by October 1st. It says right now it's at 91%. Reporting in New Haven, Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.